Hello, you're welcome to the family antagonist start on the Queyras. We're starting on the G58. We're just going to go and get our breakfast from the boulangerie. Starting at the start point, which is the fountain in the square by the church. The village has been rebuilt after a mudslide in the 50s. Just having a little petit déjeuner, and if you come over here you can see in the boulangerie they've got a bread disco going on. Look. Hi there, welcome back. Apologies for the obligatory lockdown hair. This is the start of our hike on the GR58. We've just left the start point, which is the fountain in the village square by the church. We're just spending 5 minutes having a bit of breakfast, a nice cup of coffee and a croissant or a pain au chocolat, and we're shortly going to head up into the hills. We've seen some other hikers that might be following us, or more likely us following them. Their rucksacks all seem a lot lighter than ours. Bear with us and enjoy the hike. We've been going about half an hour now. We have arrived at Unfortunately, my daughter started to suffer from the 30-degree heat. Fortunately, we were close to crossing the pass and we were able to lighten her load. We stopped for lunch and were able to look down into the valley and the village of St Veran. It was very hot with the sun directly overhead. My daughter was suffering from mild sunstroke. Thankfully, we reached the shade of some trees. We were able to stop by a stream, replenish our water and have a drink. We put our jackets on as it started to spit with rain.
I think so.
The final climb up to the village of St Veran was a bit of a sting in the tail, and we soon took our jackets off as it became too hot. We pitched camp at the end of the village and had quite a heavy thunder and lightning storm overnight. The next morning my daughter still wasn't feeling very well, so we decided the most sensible thing would be to stop, and during the rest of our holiday we'd just limit ourselves to day hikes, which is what we did, and I think we made the right decision.